Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you change default apps on Android using a quick and easy step-by-step method. If you want a different browser, messaging app, phone app, or any other application to open automatically instead of the current one, just follow along with this guide. Go to the Settings app. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Apps, then tap on it to continue. Depending on your phone's brand or Android version, the layout may look slightly different, but the steps are generally the same. Next, look for Choose Default Apps, Default Apps, or Default Applications near the top of the Apps menu and tap it. You'll now see several categories, including Browser app, SMS app, Phone app, Caller ID and Spam app, Digital Assistant app, and other available defaults. Select the category you want to update. For example, if you'd like to use a different web browser, tap Browser app. A list of compatible apps installed on your device will appear. Simply tap the app you want to use as your new default. A checkmark or highlighted selection will confirm that it has been set successfully. You can repeat the same process for other categories, such as your messaging app or phone app, whenever you want to change them. If the app you want doesn't appear, make sure it is installed and supports that function. That's all there is to it. You have now successfully changed the default apps on your Android device. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with others, and subscribe for more simple Android tips, helpful guides, and easy-to-follow tech tutorials.